The virtual reality training module focuses on refining both heart and lung sound auscultation skills within a realistic clinical setting, prioritizing nurses' proficiency in diagnosis. Through immersive simulations, nurses encounter diverse cases reflecting a wide array of heart and lung conditions.
Sounds on the right and left side. Listen, whether the sounds are bronchial or vesicular in each area. You can turn the patient around by pressing the X button on your left-hand controller. If you take your stethoscope laterally, the patient will raise their arm and give you access.
Similarly, the module covers heart sounds, encompassing both normal rhythms and simulations of various cardiac conditions, such as valve disease and heart blocks.
Listen to sounds in the mitral area.
By integrating this advanced technology into their training, nurses can efficiently hone their diagnostic abilities, empowering them to adeptly assess and respond to an extensive range of clinical scenarios encountered in real-world healthcare settings.